A lot of people, as soon as you mention the word maths, they freeze up. They don't do maths, they don't like maths, they didn't do maths in school, etc. But what I like, especially about the course that we've been running today, is the fact that you can introduce numeracy without it being sitting down and doing maths.
Today we've been doing a yoga session with the individuals. The whole practice of yoga is about uniting the mind and the body, and something that people with learning disabilities and autism quite often struggle with is awareness of their body and connecting the mind and the body. So you can incorporate counting with that, and they do seem to respond really well to that. So for example, we do the sun salutations and we count through the process, the steps. So they start with step 1, step 2, step 3, and then you would use it again with breath work. I think they love that it's something different. I think that they love that it's almost like a special kind of time just for them. It's something that everybody can join in with, regardless of their abilities.
All the team at the Multiply project have been excellent in listening to not just what we wanted, but what we needed in a way for it to work. So the fact that there was a flexibility to run the course in a way that would be beneficial to the individuals we support, it's more meaningful and it has a greater result at the end of it. It's been invaluable to so many people here. Even though it's been enjoyable, doing crafts, etc. is a lovely thing, it goes much deeper than that. And to see that change in attitude has been fantastic.